Where are we going, Di?
We're gonna get a lechon.
Lalabas kami guys, kukuha kami ng lechon kasi...
Pero ulo lang.
Ulo lang naman.
Ulo lang! Di kasama katawan.
Kasi gagawin niyang sisig.
Gagawin mo!
Mo! Hindi ko! Mo. Ako na naman gagawa. O, sige, ikaw maggayat nun. Akong gagawa. And then after guys, after namin magkuha ng ulo, we will go to Cross Iron, right? Di?
Yeah.
Yeah, pupunta kami ng Cross Iron guys. We will be, magmumalling lang kami. Mag-walk around lang sa mall. Pero maghahanap siya ng denim jacket niya, and then I'll be buying leggings as well for myself. Kasi guys, I don't wear jeans pag winter. Kasi I don't know. Ayoko lang.
Malamig.
Hindi, tsaka di ba hindi mo nagpapantalon?
Tsaka lamig ka ng pantalon sa winter.
Yeah. Mas gusto ko guys nagle-leggings pag winter. Ewan ko, tsaka mas komportable kasi ako guys pagka nagle-leggings kaysa sa nagpapantalon. Open house di oh. Binibentang bahay. Ayan din oh. Ay hindi. Yan pala, dati pa yan. So yeah guys, kukuha muna ako ng
Let's go!
ulo ng lechon. And then I'll be going to dollar store as well. Kaya magtitingin lang ako ng mga acrylic na like organizer, yung storage para sa makeup ko. And I'll be going to we'll see kung makakapunta pa kami ng Michaels. Pero I don't know, maybe not. So I'll get back to you guys once we get to the place kung saan namin kukunin yung lechon. See ya! And we are here. Kukunin na ni Kevin yung... Ikaw na lang.
Tara! Lego!
Saan ka ako eh? Sige. Wait. Guys, samahan niyo kami. Rallies. So, ayun na nga guys. Nakabili na kami ng lechon. Ayun siya. Tapos, bumili ako ng turon. Paborito kong turon. Dalawa sa akin, isa kay Kevin. Ano naman, tig-isa lang kami guys, diba? Kulang sa akin yung isa lang. Nalala mo nung, kanina ako buntis nun kay Isaiah?
Alin?
Or kay Mia?
Oo, para sa ito.
Tangi. Basta diba, nagpapaluto ako siya ng turon.
How?
Si Kevin guys ang gumagawa at nagluluto ng turon sa akin
ka sa
nun.
turong ko nun eh.
Oo, kasi ang galing na ito magturon. Balat na balat ng asukal. Amazing. Laki naman ng turon nila. May langka. Oo. Oh my gosh guys, may langka yung turon nila. Diyan kami guys bumibili ng lechon. Masarap kasi sila mag-lechon. Diba daddy? Yung lasa talaga, sobrang sarap. Kaya ayun. Ngayon, papunta na kami ng dollar store. Kakain na rin ako guys. Nung end up, walang nabili. Wala guys, wala akong mahanap dun sa dollar store. Michael siguro talaga. Doon talaga ako magtitingin. Oh my god. Kita pa yung license ko. Kita pa yung license ko. Kita pa yung license ko. Ano guys, nakabili na ako ng leggings ko. And now, nagtitingin kami ng jogging pants for Isaiah. And jeans. This. Yeah. Bumili na ako ng leggings. Isa lang. Kasi I have to get another one from a different store, which is wala dito sa store na to. Kasi nandito kami guys sa outlet store, like outlet mall. Yeah, ayun. Let's see kung ano-ano. Anong mabibili. I'll get back to you guys in a bit.
It's okay, Isaiah, let's go.
Isaiah, come on, let's go. Let's go to the face shop, di? Doon, balik tayo doon ulit. Oh, sobrang busy na.
Tagatin mo.
Harap. Mag-haul na lang ako guys pagdating sa bahay. Kung ano mga pinamili namin. Sarap ng ice cream ni Kevin. Ano yung masasabi mo sa mall ngayon?
Wala naman.
Sobrang busy, right? It's like a lot of people in here. Maganda dito guys pumunta pag from Saturday. No, I mean from Monday to Thursday. Wanna go to Miniso? May bibili na ako dun, magtitingin ako eh. Pero guys, ngayon pupunta muna tayo ng The Face Shop. Guys, kumakain pa siya. Kasalukuyang nagdudumi ng damit niya. She's having ice cream. Isaiah, there's people around you, ha? Pagod na ako. Pagod ka na, di? Hindi pa?
I'm tired.
Ikaw, Seiya, are you tired already?
Yeah.
Ba't nasa iyo? Ang ganda ng camera mo.
Because I
Yung
have...
akin. Paano yan?
What?
Ano ba yan?
Ano yun?
Parang ang ganda ng camera mo.
Seiya!
Like summer.
Yeah.
Isaiah. Sorry.
Sa akin, hindi ganun.
Pupunta kami guys ng Miniso. Coco Martin! Saan ka ba? Here you go guys. At Forever 21.
Visit.
We're here at Forever 21. Nagtitingin si Daddy ng denim jacket kasi gusto niya ng couples kaming dalawa. Matching daw. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So today gagawa ako ng haul kasi na-mention ko earlier na nagpunta kami ng mall, to Cross Iron Mall. It's an outlet mall dito sa Calgary. Nagpunta kami doon Kaya lang, hindi dapat kami mag-shopping. No, actually, ako lang pala. Bibili ako ng, bibili ako ng leggings ko. And then, like, some clothes for Isaiah as well. So, yeah. So, first, eto, papakita ko sa inyo guys, yung mga nabili namin. Just one moment here. Ang bigat kasi guys. Isaiah, put it back please in a plastic. Isaiah. So, eto guys, papakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga napamili namin from Cross Iron. So, eto. We got some from H&M, Garage, and then yung nabili namin kanina sa dollar store. And then this one, eto na guys, wala na kasi siya sa plastic bag because Kevin doesn't wanna put it in the bag. So ito guys, so unahin ko na ipapakita sa inyo. This is a denim jacket. Ito siya. Yan. Wait, lalayo ako. Ito siya guys, denim jacket na binili ni Kevin. Just wait, Mia. Ito siya guys, yan. He got it from Forever 21. He got it from Forever 21. I'm sorry guys, medyo cranky si Mia. He got it for $45. Go, play. Binigay ko na siya guys ng lipstick. Yan naman yung gusto niya. Open it. So, he got it for $45. $44.90. Yan, this is for him. Kasi guys, binilan niya rin ako ng denim jacket last time from Levi's. Tapos gusto niya rin. And then the next one that I got from the mall is from the store Garage. Bumili ako guys ng leggings na gustong-gusto ko. Ito siya guys. Yan. Ito siya guys. High-waist leggings to guys. I think this is $19.95. I got it for $19.95. There. I'm in a size medium. So this is what I got. I'm saving all the receipt kasi sinusulat ko lahat ng gastos namin. So that's garbage. And then the next one that I got is from H&M. First one is this. For Isaiah na naman. This one. Ayan siya. This is in the guys, sale or deal ng H&M na 3 for 2. Like you buy 3, you pay for 2. Like 2 the most expensive ones. And this one is $12.99, and Isaiah wears an 8-year-old size clothes. Ayan. And then next one is this mini guys, mix and match na namin yung mga 3 for 2 na deal. Like some is for Isaiah, some naman is kay Mia. And then this one is for Mia. Here we go. It's a dress. Long sleeves siya guys. And then this one is $12.99 as well. And in a size 12 months. Yan. And then next one is yung sweatpants ni Isaiah guys. Anong size to? In a size 7 years old. Like 7 years old. $14.99. In a black. Kasi guys yung he has already 3 of this in a gray, white, and blue. So now binili namin siya ng black. And then the last one that I got from H&M is this jeans of mine. This. Yan. Ano siya guys? Ito siya. Yan. Jeans. Di ako kita guys. Sorry na. Skinny siya guys. Like, medyo crop siya. I'm in a size 28. Yan guys. $13 yung bili ko. And then, for the last bag that I have here is from dollar store. Di ba kanina sabi ko nga, I'm supposed to buy some acrylic organizers for the drawer here sa vanity table ko. But I didn't find one in there. So sabi ko, I'll check on the other stores na lang, like other branch ng dollar store. Or I should just go to what's this place? Michael's. Baka meron sila dun. But I didn't get that much time kasi nagmamadali kami. So yung nabili ko na lang guys is this. Gamit sa bahay. Kusina. Sponges. These are just $1. And then I got some Halloween loot bags in here for Isaiah kasi sa school nila guys. And then also I got some notepad para pag namalengke ako or may kailangan akong gawin like to-do list, I have paper na pwede kong sulatan. And then Kevin bought some terrific toilet bowl cleaner. Ito siya guys. Dinidikit siya sa hindi siya dinidikit actually. Sa loob siya ng yung parang box kung where the water is, doon siya nilalagay. He got 2, it's for $1 as well. And then the last one is this. Awan ko kung sa akin ba to o kung kay Mia. Hindi ko alam. Maybe for me na lang. Ayan siya guys. Yan. Binili ko na lang. Why not, diba? So yeah. I think total ng pinamili ko, I remember it was $10.47. Yung pinamili ko lahat guys sa dollar store. Ayan lang guys. Wala naman ang masyadong ganap. And we just got home as well from the movie. Kasi nag-movie kami. Ni Kevin kasama yung brother, yung kapatid niya. May in-laws. And my friend Jane. Girlfriend ng in-law ko. So yeah guys. I think that's it for today's vlog guys. I'll end the video here na kasi it's already morning in here. It is now 1:38 ng madaling araw. Si Mia tsaka si Isaiah hindi pa natutulog guys kasi when we got home around like 9:30 or 10, kakagising lang nila kasi nakatulog sila sa car. While, guys, kasi napagod sila. Kasi may pinuntahan pa kami, like, after namin mag-mall, may dinaanan kami. Bago kami umuwi ng bahay. So, nakatulog sila. Like, it was like almost an hour na nakatulog sila. And then they woke up. And then, yeah, so right now, I'll try my best to put them to sleep now after this. So, yeah, guys. And this is what Mia looks like right now because she got my lipstick. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching today's vlog. I hope you guys liked it. If you do, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share our video, to like our video, and comment down below as well if you have any comments or any suggestions for us. And yeah, that's it for today guys. Don't forget to subscribe as well on our channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click that subscribe button below and bell beside it as well so you get notified every time we upload videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you on our next vlog. Bye!